Good morning, I just woke up. It's my day 8. Again, I didn't sleep well last night because I was editing until almost 3 a.m. Which sucks. I don't want to work out at night ever again. But someday if I need to work out at night, I'll do it. But most of the time I hope I don't get to that situation again. I had a difficult time editing the video last night. That's why my upload was late. I'm just glad I survived my first week of being consistent. The weather is good today, so I think it's going to be a good day because I don't like gloomy and rainy weathers. I'm so excited for my workout. I'm so hungry. I'm going to look for breakfast I can eat. If I don't see a breakfast worthy food, I'm going to proceed to working out. I'm gonna walk around and sunbathe first. I'll update you guys later. Hello, I just went downstairs trying to find a breakfast worthy food, but I didn't find any. I guess I'm just going to start working out instead. Then after working out, I will eat boiled eggs plus protein shake with oatmeal and milk. That's a lot, but it's okay, I deserve it. I'm going to sunbathe first. This feels good. I'm sunbathing right now. I love the feeling when I sunbathe. It feels like I'm being recharged and replenished. I don't know what words to describe this feeling, but I just enjoyed sunbathing. I'm really having a trouble blurring my face. I tried creating a Python script that will automate my face blurring, but it's not perfect. That's why I resorted to using an Android app. It blurs the majority of the video, but still it's not perfect. There are segments that are not being blurred, but it's faster than my Python script though. A daily upload or a daily vlog is an exhausting activity, but it's okay. I'm just going to do this challenge for 30 days anyway. After that, sure, I'll continue my working out, but I'm not going to upload daily though. I will keep the hobby, of course, and I will try to maintain it. Maybe I'll vlog different videos like my yapping or what I want to yap about. The sun is already burning my skin. I think I'm going to start working out now. Same old routine. I'm going to film my first sets of my workout, but I will finish my other sets, of course, but I'm not going to film it. Now I'm going to start with weighted chin-ups. Now I'm going to start my main lifts. I'm going to do 3 sets of chin-ups, weighted chin-ups for 5 reps. I'm done doing my weighted chin-ups. I just did 3 sets of 5 reps for 1.25 kilograms. It's very light, I know, but let the newbie take his time. Now I'm going to do the weighted dips. Same reps, same sets, and same weight as the chin-up. I'm now done with my weighted dips. Feels good. My main workouts are done. I don't feel tired at all. I think I'm more energized. Breakfast is really not for me. Having breakfast decreases my energy. I get tired easily, but now I feel energized. Considering that I have lack of sleep. I didn't sleep well last night. And considering I didn't have a breakfast, it's good. I feel good. Now I'm ready for my next workouts. Again, I'm gonna superset barbell rows and barbell overhead press. But I'm gonna take my sando off to make me feel stronger. Just being delusional. I'm done with my supersets. I made it. I did both of them for 9 reps and 4 sets each. I made it. I still feel energized. What's happening? I feel like I'm getting stronger. I feel good. Now I'm going to crush my leg workouts for this to be finished. I'm done with my first superset for leg workouts. It's very exhausting, but it's okay. It's just a superset of one set each. It's basic. Now I'm just going to chill a little bit. Now I'm rested. I'm going to do my last superset. I'm done. Day 8 done. Crushed. I'm happy. I'm happy I survived again. 8 days of consistency. Feels good. I'm just going to eat my post-workout meal. I'll update you later. Hello, I'm done eating my post-workout. I was about to edit my vlogs but I forgot to film my today's outro. Again, thanks for watching my vlog. I maintained consistency for 8 days straight. I feel proud of myself. I'm now going to edit my day 8 vlog. See you tomorrow.